Hello! So excited today to show you how I'm going to assemble my new mountain bike, which is going to be my partner in future escapades. So let's get into it. This is a 26-inch frame Schwinn Surge bike. The box that it has come in has dimensions in centimeters of 138, 18.5 and 72 centimeters. These are the tools that I have used to assemble this bike. The plier and the grease did not come with the bike, but they did provide Allen keys and a multi-spanner. So this is how the bike looks like after I have unboxed it. There is a seat post, right and left pedals, and as you can see the bike has come with rear wheel already fitted. There are stickers on both pedals to specify which one is the right and which one is the left one. The right one would fit in if you turn it clockwise, and the left one would fit in if you turn it anti-clockwise. So make sure it's not done the other way around, because it's going to damage the thread of the pedal bolt. This is just a closer look of the rear wheel, and as you can see it has already come fitted. And here I am showing you the front fork, front suspension and handlebar. As you can see, the front suspension is pre-adjusted, so I don't have to do anything with that. I'm going to install the seat post and the handlebar in the bike standing in the upright position, and then I'm going to turn the bike upside down, and then I will install the front wheel and the pedals. It's pretty easy to install the seat. You just insert the seat post into the seat tube, and you just have to close the clamp, and then just make sure that it's not sinking down and not loose enough to move around. Otherwise you'll have to readjust the clamp. Next step is to make sure that the front fork is facing forwards. Now I'm going to install the handlebar stem into the stem tube, but before I do that I need to take off this cap from the stem expander bolt by loosening the bolt. The handlebar itself is already in the correct position, so I'm not going to readjust that. I'm happy with this position. I'm going to untangle the wires, make sure they are not crossing over, and finally just tighten the stem bolt. With the seat post and the handlebar installed, I'm going to turn the bike upside down before I fit the front wheel and the pedals. Now I'm going to install the front wheel, and while doing that I'm going to make sure that the disc goes in between the disc pads, and then I'm just going to tighten the screws with the multi-spanner. While installing the pedals, make sure the right pedal goes onto the right side and the left pedal goes onto the left side, and there would be stickers or markings on them usually. The right pedal usually will fit in if you turn it clockwise, and the left one will fit in if you turn it anti-clockwise. And the last thing is to pump up some air in the tires. It should be mentioned on the tire how much air you can pump in PSI or bars. As you can see, the bike has got front and rear fenders and the kickstand installed as well. I've made separate videos on how to do that. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.